5 benefits of adding cinnamon to your diet and secret recipes. Cinnamon has been rumored to have mystical powers that can attract money and manifest abundance. Yes, you heard that right. But whether you're a skeptic or a believer, there's no denying the incredible health benefits of this magical spice. Being the second most popular spice in the world, cinnamon has been used for centuries not only in cooking, but also for its medicinal properties. But did you know that it's also mentioned in the Bible? This powerful, attracting herb has been used and referenced in numerous cultures and traditions throughout history. So let's sprinkle some spice into your life and uncover the secrets of cinnamon in this captivating and enlightening video. The process of making cinnamon is a time-honored tradition that has produced one of the most beloved and versatile spices in the world. Cinnamon is first harvested from the inner bark of a tree known as cinnamomum. The bark is carefully peeled by hand, then dried and rolled into thin sticks, known as cinnamon quills. These quills can be used whole, or they can be ground into a powder for easier use. The 2 most commonly used types of cinnamon are Cassia cinnamon and Ceylon cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon is the more common variety, found in most supermarkets and grocery stores. It has a stronger, more pungent taste and contains higher levels of coumarin, a natural compound that can cause liver damage in high doses. Ceylon cinnamon, on the other hand, is considered the true cinnamon and is milder in taste. It is often more expensive and harder to find, but it is a better choice for those who are concerned about coumarin levels. Cinnamon is also available in various other forms, such as cinnamon essential oil. Cinnamon essential oil is created by distilling the bark and leaves of the cinnamon tree. Benefits of cinnamon: aid in reversing metabolic syndrome. A metabolic syndrome is a group of interrelated conditions that increase the risk of developing heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. It is characterized by symptoms such as high blood pressure, high blood sugar, excess body fat, and abnormal cholesterol levels. Cinnamon has been the subject of numerous studies examining its potential therapeutic effects on this condition. Several studies have shown that cinnamon has a positive effect on blood glucose and lipid profiles in individuals with metabolic syndrome. One of the key components of metabolic syndrome is insulin resistance, which is when the body becomes less sensitive to insulin and has trouble regulating blood sugar levels. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, reducing insulin resistance and improving blood sugar control. Insulin resistance is a key feature of metabolic syndrome and is closely related to the development of type 2 diabetes. In people with insulin resistance, the pancreas produces more and more insulin in an effort to overcome the body's resistance. But eventually, the pancreas can't keep up and blood sugar levels begin to rise. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, meaning that it can help the body use insulin more effectively. This is thought to be due to the ability of cinnamon to activate insulin receptors and increase the uptake of glucose into cells. Cinnamon has also been shown to decrease the expression of genes involved in insulin resistance, further supporting its ability to improve insulin sensitivity. Medics call it a diabetic drug without side effects. If you're eager to dive deeper into the fascinating topic of insulin resistance, look no further than the link I've attached below, which offers an in-depth exploration of this captivating subject. In addition to its ability to manage insulin resistance, cinnamon also has bioactive compounds such as cinnamaldehyde, cinnamic acid, and cinnamate, which exhibit antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are known to prevent oxidative stress, which is a significant contributor to the development of metabolic syndrome. Healthy skin. This second benefit of cinnamon is a particularly exciting one if you're looking to achieve healthy, glowing skin. When combined with honey, another natural ingredient is known for its moisturizing and antimicrobial properties. Cinnamon can make a potent face mask that aids in healing and nourishing your skin. The cinnamon and honey face mask works by helping to unclog pores, reduce inflammation, and provide nourishing moisture to the skin. Cinnamon's antibacterial properties can help to reduce acne-causing bacteria on the skin, while honey's natural humectant properties can help to hydrate and moisturize the skin. To make a cinnamon and honey face mask, start by mixing equal parts of cinnamon and honey in a small bowl. You can adjust the amount based on your needs, but a good starting point is 1 tablespoon of each. Mix the 2 ingredients together until you have a smooth paste. Before applying the mask, cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Using a cinnamon and honey face mask once a week can be a great way to keep your skin healthy, hydrated, and free from blemishes. For our number 3 benefit, weight loss. If you're looking to shed a few pounds and get in shape, you'll be happy to know that cinnamon can help. Weight loss doesn't have to be a grueling task, and adding cinnamon to your diet can make it even easier. Mixing cinnamon with lemon is a powerful combination when for weight loss. Lemon is a natural diuretic, which means it helps to flush out excess water weight. When combined with cinnamon, which has been shown to boost metabolism and reduce inflammation in the body, you have a potent weight loss aid. To make a cinnamon and lemon weight loss drink, start by mixing 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder with the juice of 1 lemon. Add this mixture to a glass of warm water and stir well. You can also add a teaspoon of honey for some sweetness. Healing Candida. If you're not familiar with Candida, it's a type of yeast that causes a range of health problems when it overgrows in the body. Symptoms of Candida overgrowth include fatigue, brain fog, digestive issues, and more. Fortunately, cinnamon has antifungal and antibacterial properties that combat Candida and other types of harmful bacteria in your gut and your body. Cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon is effective in killing most types of bacteria, including Candida. Cancer. Number 5 on our list of amazing benefits of cinnamon is its potential to reduce cancer risk. The antioxidants in cinnamon protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to the development of cancer. Studies have shown that cinnamon may help to prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells, particularly in the colon, liver, and breast. Cinnamaldehyde has been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and even trigger cancer cell death in some cases. In addition to its anti-cancer properties, cinnamon is an anti-inflammatory, which takes part in reducing chronic inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to the development of many different types of cancer, so reducing inflammation can be a key factor in preventing cancer. While cinnamon is certainly not a cure for cancer, adding more of this delicious spice to your diet may help to reduce your risk of developing this deadly disease. So why not sprinkle some cinnamon on your oatmeal or add it to your coffee today? But how much cinnamon do you need to reap some, if not all, benefits? And how much is too much? Experts recommend consuming no more than 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon per day, as excessive consumption of cinnamon can be toxic to the body. While cinnamon is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderation, it's important to be aware of potential side effects, particularly if you are taking medication or have a medical condition. Cinnamon can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and diabetes medications, so it's important to speak with your healthcare provider if you have an underlying disease. Recipe. If you're looking for a delicious and healthy way to incorporate cinnamon into your daily routine, try this simple recipe for a healing and refreshing drink. Recipe: 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a squeeze of 1 lemon, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, optional, 1 teaspoon of stevia or molasses. Mix with 1 liter of purified water. Simply mix all the ingredients together and enjoy them as a refreshing drink throughout the day. Conclusion. So go ahead and enjoy the amazing health benefits of cinnamon, but remember to do so in moderation and as part of a healthy and balanced diet. Subscribe now for more similar and thrilling content. Thanks for watching.